With iOS 18, there's now a new feature in the Calendar app where you can add your reminders to your daily view in Calendar. That means you can keep track of not only your events, but also things that you need to do as well. To add a reminder in the Calendar app, all you have to do is add an event like normal, either by pressing the plus button in the top corner or by long pressing on the calendar page itself. From here on the new event screen, you're going to tap Reminder at the top rather than Event. You can then give your reminder a title, just like normal. I'm going to call mine Reminders in Calendar Video. That way I can tick it off when I finish recording the screen recording. And then I can choose what time on the calendar it should appear for. Obviously you can change the date if you want to as well. And I'm just going to set my time here for it to appear around lunchtime. And when you add that event, it will then appear as a reminder on your daily calendar, just like this. Of course, you can also edit these in the Reminders app. So if I jump out of Calendar real quick and go into Reminders, I can create a new reminder just from there as per normal. When you do this, as long as you select a date and a time, it will add it to the calendar for you at the correct time. If you don't select a time, it will appear as an all-day event instead at the very top of the calendar. So jumping back into Calendar now, you'll see I've got my two different reminders. And I can simply tap on that circle to mark a reminder as complete, and that will update the Reminders app and the calendar as well. And I can even edit those reminders directly from Calendar by tapping on the name of the reminder and then making changes on the edit page here. And that's just another thing that iOS 18 has changed that makes your phone that little bit easier to use and more useful to you in the future. If you want to see what else is new, I've made an ebook this year, 100 quick tips for iOS 18. Check it out below.